Hi there, and welcome to the Droplet Platform Tour. In this video, we'll walk you through the main areas of Droplet and highlight some of its key features. Now keep in mind, some features may only be available to certain users in your organization, so if you see something you need but don't currently have access to it, just reach out to your Droplet Platform Owner or our support team for help. Let's get started by logging into Droplet. Head over to app.droplet.io and log in using either your organization's single sign-on credentials or your Droplet login information. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dark blue navigation menu on the left-hand side. This menu lists all the pages you have access to in Droplet. Most pages in Droplet have three main sections: a search bar at the top for finding what you need quickly, a filter menu to help narrow things down, and the main content area. And if you ever need help while using Droplet, look for the Help widget in the lower left corner of your screen. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is your home page. If you're assigned to any workflows, this is where your to-do list will live. Click on a form name to open it and complete an assignment. And once you've completed an assignment, it will automatically disappear from your home page. The Forms page is where you'll find all available forms. If you're a form builder, you can build a new form by clicking Create New Form or the plus form button. Enabled forms are published and accepting submissions. Unpublished forms aren't available for submissions just yet, and disabled forms are not accepting submissions at the moment. To start a form submission, enabled forms will have a Start button, and if you're a form builder, forms will also have an Edit button. The three-dot form menu has several handy options for owners and builders. You can edit form details like the name or description, disable the form which pauses submission acceptance until re-enabled, copy the form's link to share it, preview the form before sending it out, bulk submit a spreadsheet of entries, archive the form, and manage tags to help keep your forms organized by department or purpose. Form builders should check out the Templates page. Here you'll find a growing library of professionally designed forms. Click on a template to preview it, and when you're ready, hit Use Template to start customizing it for your needs. Next up, let's look at the My Assignments page. This page offers a bit more detail than the home page for managing all of the submissions that are currently assigned to you. I might click this icon in the lower left corner to collapse the page menu and give myself a little bit more room to see submission data. Use the search bar or filters to locate specific submissions. When you find what you're looking for, just click on the row to open it. The Submissions page is all about forms you've submitted. You can track their progress, check for updates, or review completed and rejected submissions here. And the All Submissions page is for managing submissions across your organization. Now, what you see here depends on your permissions. If you have basic permissions, you'll only see your own assignments and submissions you've started. But with higher level permissions, you can view submissions that have been started by others or assigned to others in your organization. For submissions, there are three main statuses: in progress, completed, and rejected. In some cases, you might see two additional statuses: not started, submissions that are still assigned to the submitter and haven't yet begun moving through the workflow, and archived, submissions that are no longer active. Tick the box next to one or more submissions and choose an action from the Actions menu. You can download data as a spreadsheet, export as PDFs, view the activity log to see an audit trail, change the assignee or unassign the submission, send a reminder, archive or unarchive submissions, and even unreject submissions if they've been rejected by mistake. If any actions are grayed out for you here, it means you might not have the appropriate level of permissions. Many forms rely on datasets to populate common information like school names, supervisors, and budget codes. If you're responsible for managing these datasets, this page is where you can update or edit that information. Click plus dataset to create a new dataset, or edit on an existing dataset to make changes. The organization page is meant for Droplet owners as administrators of the organization. Here, you can manage user accounts and what roles and tags they should have. Click on the Roles tab to view default roles and to add your own custom roles. You can also set up organization-level features like single sign-on or data backups. The organization page is restricted to owners by default. And finally, let's talk about the Insights page. This is where you'll get a high-level view of your organization's form activity. Hover over the charts to see more details, and click any of the icons at the top to jump straight to a filtered view in the All Submissions page. And that's it for your Droplet Platform Tour. We hope this gave you a clear overview of what Droplet can do and how to navigate it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your platform owner or our support team. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Droplet.